Greetings to all lovers of high quality and stylish watches. Today I want to talk about Patek Philippe watches. The Patek Philippe brand is known for its high-tech wristwatches, which are unique works of art. This particular watch was produced in the period from 1875 to 1880 is crafted from decorated stainless steel, which gives it strength and durability while also protecting the movement from the elements. The hands are original and covered with gold, which complements the elegant design of this watch. The dial of this watch is a work of art, handmade in the atelier, and decorated with 12 emeralds. This adds to the luxury and uniqueness that they give to their owner. Every detail of the dial looks incredibly luxurious and perfectly matches the overall design of the watch. Above the hands is a pure diamond, which complements the luxurious look of this watch and makes it even more attractive. The mechanism is also decorated with an engraver, which is a sign of high quality and attention to detail. The sterling silver crown and real elephant leather strap make this watch unique and elegant. This watch exists in a single copy, which makes it even more valuable and unique. Everyone who becomes the owner of this watch will be able to emphasize their high status and attract the attention of others. Patek Philippe watches are considered among the best in the world and are a modern symbol of luxury and wealth. Every year these watches become more and more expensive, which makes them even more attractive to collectors and connoisseurs of luxury. If you are looking for a unique timepiece that is the epitome of luxury and elegance, then this Patek Philippe watch is a great choice. Best wishes, your Citadel watch.